Hey guys, how we doing today? Look, I was thinking yesterday how I hadn't really had a e-waste pickup, right? There's a white one back in there too. It's a that's a Windows 95 unit. I got some ancient power supply switch things. Let me show you this real quick before I get on with it. So we made 5 pickups today. This is only 4 of them. Look at this giant monitor back here. That thing weighed 65, 70 pounds. About killed me. Wait, manufactured May of 96. Still inside here. I just don't feel like getting them out right now. There's I thought I was happy with this e-waste pickup. There was probably 5 or 6 laptops. There's a couple towers. There's some switches, some routers, and like I said, I was pretty happy with that. And then this lady calls me, says she had a bunch of CRT TVs and computer stuff to get rid of. So it turns out that she used to build computers for different corporations. All right, so you already seen this stuff. I think this is a brand new old laptop. These guys are actually in decent shape here. But look at this. And right here, I think that Cutler hammer, whatever it is, it's gonna be cool. I'll check over here real quick. This is a box of just gimmies. Some phones, a lot of wire. And a bunch of miscellaneous. Got this giant system she built. And then there's a the sideways desktop, and I think that's got a 286 chip in it. And then I got these. They're metal, just generic metal computer systems she has built. Let me see. Can't really tell too much about what's in there, but I promise I'll make a video when I tear in. I'll also make another video. This is supposed to be a test unit. What? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know how long it's been switched for. This is a test unit when you're hooking up computers. She said to make sure that everything is working okay, and it's brand new. So when we unbox that, I'll make another video. This is I've seen at least 2 to 3 cards in every one of the computers, so pretty stoked about that. And a few monitors. Like I said, this guy, and I'm picking up more of this stuff tomorrow. She's downsizing, getting ready to sell her home, and she hasn't told me yet, but I think she actually was, because we have a Army supply base, and I kind of wonder if she was building computers for the Army. But I can't wait to tear into him either. So you guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. I got to get everything on the table here inside because it's getting ready to rain. And I'll catch up with you later. Mike's out.